Hello everyone, I am Lekha, currently pursuing BE in Computer Science and Engineering at Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur. Currently in my 7th semester of engineering. Today I am presenting the project I worked on as part of my WebStackAcademy MERN Stack internship. During this internship, our mentor guided us through the complete development process of this application. The title of the food app is a Food Journey, a full stack food delivery platform. Through this project, I gained practical exposure to how a real world full stack application is structured and developed. So, let's look into the objectives of the internship. The main objective of this internship was to gain practical knowledge of full stack development using the MERN Stack. Instead of only learning individual technologies separately, the internship focused on understanding how all the layers of the application work together. With mentor guidance, I learned how the front end communicates with backend, how APIs are created, and how data is stored and managed using MongoDB. The internship helped us understand concepts like authentication, database design, state management, and also the integration of external services. So, first, what is full stack development? A full stack developer builds and connects every layer an application needs to learn. A full stack application consists of mainly three layers. The first layer is the front end, which represents the user interface. It includes pages, forms, buttons, and all the interactions that users perform. In second layer, it is backend, which handles the application logic, API requests, authentication, and communication between different components. And the final third layer is database, where application information such as users, restaurants, menus, and orders, etc., are stored in this food app. The MERN Stack. The application was developed using the MERN Stack. MongoDB is used as database to store application data in a flexible document-based format. Express is used for creating backend APIs and handling server-side operations. And React.js is used for developing the front-end interface using reusable components. And finally, Node.js, it provides a runtime environment to execute JavaScript on the server side. The major advantage of MERN is that JavaScript is used throughout the development process, which makes communication between front-end and back-end easier, as well as easier to learn for us programmers as well. So let's look into the brief introduction about the project. The main purpose of this application is to provide a platform where users can explore restaurants, view menus, place food orders, and complete online payments. User can browse restaurants, add food items to their cart, place orders through a secure checkout process. The application also provides an admin side where restaurants details, menus, and food dish descriptions, etc., are managed. Through this project, we understood how a real food delivery system works from both customer and administrator perspectives. The main features of this application can be divided into two parts: core user features as well as admin and AI features. Now, coming to the main user features, the application includes secure authentication using JWT based login and sign up. Password security is maintained using hashing techniques, ensuring user credentials are protected. Users can browse restaurants, search menus, and filter restaurants based on ratings. And smart cart. The cart functionality allows users to add food items, update quantities, and manage their selected items. Secure checkout. For online payments, Stripe checkout integration is used. Order tracking. After completing an order, users can view their order history along with their order details. Ratings and reviews. Users can also provide ratings and reviews which are later used by the AI based review analysis feature. So these are the core features. Along with customer features, application also includes administrator features. Restaurant management. Admins can manage restaurants, update menu items, and maintain inventory details. Menu and inventory. Then the role based access. Application uses role based access control where admin operates are restricted only to authorized users. And another interesting part of this project is integration of AI features. AI dish descriptions as well as review analysis. First, AI feature generates dish descriptions, tags, and information automatically based on the basic dish details given by the admin. The second AI feature analyzes customer reviews and generates sentiment summaries, highlights, and the common topics. These features help understand how AI services can be integrated into practical applications. So let's look into the architecture. A React client talks to an Express API which coordinates the database and outside services. Frontend is developed using React which communicates with the backend through REST APIs. The Express and Node.js backend handles requests, applies business logic, and communicates with MongoDB. The frontend doesn't directly access the database. All communication happens securely through the backend layer. This application also integrates external services like Stripe, Cloudinary, and Grok. Stripe is used for handling online payments, Cloudinary is used for image storage, and Grok with Llama 3.1 version. It is used for AI powered features. Next, before looking into the database collections, let's talk about technologies and tools used in the project. For front-end development, React with White was used along with the Redux toolkit for state management, React Router for navigation, and Bootstrap for styling. For backend development, Node and Express were used, and JWT was used for authentication, Bcrypt for password hashing, Mongoose for MongoDB operations. As mentioned earlier, external services like MongoDB Atlas, Stripe Checkout, Cloudinary, and Grok AI also used. MongoDB stores the application's data across 6 collections: users, restaurants, menus, food items, cart, and orders. So, to conclude, this internship project helped me understand the complete workflow of developing a MERN Stack application. With mentor guidance and continuous learning, I gained practical exposure to front-end development, back-end APIs, database management, authentication, payment integration, and AI service integrations. This project gave me experience in understanding how different technologies come together to create a real-world application. So now I will conclude the PPT presentation and let's move to the demonstration of the live web application. So by using two terminals, I'm starting backend and front end. So let's start backend. Similarly, front end. So the server started on port number 8050. So I will open the localhost browser. Yeah, this is the home page of food delivery application. So the web application has two sides, as customer side as well as admin side. So admin dashboard is not created as of now. So let's log in first. I'll use my login credentials. Yes, its login is successful. Here users can view available restaurants along with the sort by reviews option. Sort by ratings option is there. Also the pure veg option is there. When selecting a restaurant, users can view the complete menu for that particular restaurant. Here menu is organized by categories like chats, main course, etc. I will add some of the items to cart. Yeah, so here you can see cart is instantly updated. So the quantities as well as we can manage. Right. Sorry for the glitch. So I'll delete it now. Item is removed successfully. So the checkout process is integrated with Stripe for secure payment. Let's do it. Redirecting to the payment. So the Stripe online payment page will open. So I have already updated the details here. Here you can see quantity 2 and I'll click pay now. After the successful payment, the order details are stored and displayed in the order history. So order placed. So yeah, this is what I ordered now. 2 items. Payment paid. This is my details. So here are the options: orders, profile, and here in the order, these are the order histories that I have previously checked on. So when the order is placed, the cart will become empty. So on clicking order it will go to the home page. And there is a leave a review option for customer. Customer can write down his review about the experience. And this is the profile option. So user can edit his profile. This is when I joined to this application. So is some random email and an avatar. Let's go to the edit option. Here name, new email can be updated if required, and on clicking avatar it can be updated. So I'll not do it as of now. Sorry. So one more thing, this is the restaurant I added as a admin option. So here it will gives the status of the item. So basically here I have given the stock as 3. On giving items, see, it will print as exceeded stock limit. Only 2 times we can order, then it will give the exceeded limit. That's one more functionality. So let's go to the database and change the user role as admin. So here we can see the actions performed is reflected in the backend terminal here. So I'll connect the food app. Yeah, here we can see the databases, different databases as I mentioned, cart, food items, menus. So I'll move to users and change my role to admin. Update. So now I'll get admin functions. Sorry. It's already logged in. So here you can see delete options and analyze review as well as view review summary options are available for admin. Here on add restaurant, we can add the restaurant by mentioning address, coordinates, the image, etc. So I have already created one restaurant here. It's, yeah, I'll add one item. Let's add yeah, and then hot drinks. I'll add as badam malt. Let me give price as 35 rupees. So this is the AI description functionality. It will automatically generate the description for admin. So let me give stock as 2 and image URL, let it be empty as of now. I'll add it later. So yeah, and on clicking add menu we can add different category. So let's analyze the summary of this particular daily sushi restaurant. Yes, analyze review. User reviews are updated and displayed here. See, so the review is mixed, both positive and negative responses are given by users. Some dishes were overpriced, etc. So we can hide the summary as well. Yeah, this is about admin functionalities as well as customer side functions. So this is what when I was logged in as a customer. Let me log out. Yeah. Now it's for user, daily user or customer. Yeah, that's about the demo of food project. So that's come to the end of demonstration with both core AI features, user features as well as admin features. That's about the project. Thank you for the opportunity.